Good morning, children. I am Niharika Patil from Shipra Vidyalaya. Students, in the previous video, I had done a survey to know the talents in the students of class 5th. I hope you have watched that video. Now, what is the result of the survey? उस सर्वे का रिजल्ट क्या है? I will discuss today on the outcome or result of the survey. So let's see the result. चलिए रिजल्ट को देखते हैं. There are 6 students who can sing well. There are 12 students who can dance well. There are 17 students who can draw and paint. There are 3 students who are good speaker. There are 6 students who are having leadership quality. There are 20 students who are good at sports. So you have the numbers of students having different talents. This information about the different talents are shown here in number. This is called data. ये जो नंबर है आपके, ये डेटा कहलाते हैं. इस सर्वे से हमें जो जानकारी मिली कि कितने स्टूडेंट्स किस क्षेत्र में योग्यता रखते हैं, यह जानकारी हमें नंबर्स में मिली और इसी जानकारी को हम क्या कह रहे हैं? डेटा कह रहे हैं. ये जो न्यूमेरिक फॉर्म में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिली है, इसे ही हम क्या कह रहे हैं? डेटा कह रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ I am going to teach you a very interesting topic, and that is how to represent this data. Okay, there are many ways and methods to represent these data. अब मैं आपको बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक बताने जा रही हूँ. जो जानकारी हमें मिली है या जो डेटा मिला है उसे हम रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करेंगे, कैसे दिखाएंगे. ओके, तो डेटा रिप्रेजेंटेशन के बारे में बहुत सारे मेथड्स हैं, बट देयर आर 3 मेथड्स गिवन इन योर बुक. देखिए अपनी बुक्स को. पहला है सर्वे ऑफ पेडल्स्टन. तो ये जो लाइंस हैं ये आपकी टैली लाइंस है. सेकंड है आपका बार चार्ट. थर्ड है आपका पाई चार्ट्स. So the first method is called tally line or tally marked. Second method is bar graph, and third one is pie chart. So first see the tally lines. We can represent data by tally line or tally method. This is a very old and easy method for data representation. हम डेटा को टैली लाइंस में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. यह मेथड बहुत ही सरल और पुराना है. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड इट. नाउ लुक एट दिस. To count one, we draw one vertical line. To count one, we draw one vertical line. To count two, we draw 2 vertical line. To draw 3, we draw 3 vertical lines. To draw 4, we draw 4 vertical lines. To draw 5, or to count 5, we draw 4 vertical lines the lines by one diagonal line. To count 5, we draw 4 vertical lines and cross the lines by one diagonal line to representing 5. To count 6, we draw tally mark of 5 and draw one vertical line. To count 7, we draw tally mark of 5 and 2 vertical lines. To count 8, we draw 1 tally line of 5 and 3 vertical lines. To count 9, we draw tally mark of 5 and 4 vertical lines. To count 10, we draw 2 tally marks of 5. Okay. To count 10, we draw 2 tally marks of 5. Now I have a survey report of the students of class 5th having special talents. Let's represent the data with tally mark. 6 students can sing well, so we draw 1 tally mark of 5 and 1 vertical line. For 12 students, we draw 2 tally marks of 5 and 2 vertical lines. For 17, we draw 3 tally marks of 5 and 2 vertical lines. To count 3, we draw 3 vertical lines. To draw 6, we draw 1 tally mark of 5 and 1 vertical line. To count 20, we draw 4 tally mark of 5. 4 tally mark of 5. Okay. Thank you, children.